Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic of discussion is causes of aggression. There are four major factors which are the main causes of human aggression: social determinants, cultural factors, personality factors, situational determinants. Social determinants. There are three factors which are included in the social determinants. These factors are frustration, provocations, heightened arousal. Frustration, aggression, hypothesis made two assertions. Frustration always lead to aggression always stem from frustration. Many different reactions such as sadness, despair and depression. People aggress for many different reasons as the part of their duty and patriotism. Instrumental reasons, illegitimate or unjustified. Direct provocations, annoyed or irritated, physical or verbal provocations, condensations, expression of arrogance or disdain on the part of other powerful, harsh, and criticism. Teasing, provoking statements that call attention to target flaws and imperfections can range from mild, humorous remarks, heightened arousal, emotions, cognitions, aggressions. Whatever its source, can enhance aggressions in response to provocation, frustration, or other factors. Arousal, stemming from varied source as participations in competitive games, some type of music, exposure to media violence, effect of violence in films, on televisions, and in video games. Research on exposure to violent televisions, movies, videos, games, and music indicate that such materials significantly increase likelihood of aggression behavior by people exposed to them. Such effects are both short-term and long-term in nature. The magnitude of these effects is large. Virus medical effects. Cultures of honor. Aggression stems from beliefs, norms, and expectations, is appropriate or required under certain circumstances. Cultures of honor. Culture in which there are strong norms indicating that aggression is an appropriate response to insults to one's honors. Personality and aggression. Aggression causes from social behavior often derives from a complex interaction between situational factors and personal trait or other characteristics. TOSS model theory. The trait as situational sensitivities model. This model suggests that factors are strong enough to trigger them. Do they influence behavior only when the situations evoke them? TOSS model makes the following predictions. The tendency to behave aggressively will only influence overt behavior when situational factors are strong enough to activate it. For people high in this trait, even weak provocation will stimulate an aggressive reaction. For people low in this trait, it contrasts. Much stronger levels of provocation are required to trigger aggressions. There are two types of behavior: type A behavior, type B behavior. In the type A behavior, first point, extremely competitive, always in hurry, irritable and aggressive. But type B at the same time, not highly competitive, more relaxed, remain calm even in the face of strong provocations. Type A, engage in hostile aggression, but type B, engage in the instrumental aggressions. Type A, engage in the actions such as child abuse, spouse abuse, but type B, not engage in such actions. Personal causes of aggression. Gender differences. Overall, the male report engage in more aggressive behavior than do females. The extent of gender differences depend on the situation and the type of aggression. Males are significantly more likely than females to aggress against other when they have not been provoked in any manners. Males are more likely than females are to use direct forms of aggression, such as physically assaults, shouting. On the other hand, females are more likely than males are to use indirect forms of aggression, such as gossiping, spreading rumors. Situational determinant of aggressions. High temperatures and aggression. High temperature tend to increase aggression but only up to a point. Beyond some level, aggression decline as temperature rise. Alcohol consumption and aggression. Consuming alcohol enough to be legally drunk can increase more aggressively and respond to provocations more strongly than do participants who do not drink alcohol. The effect of alcohol on aggressive behavior may be due to reduced cognitive functioning. Alcohol makes it harder for people to evaluate the intentions of others and to consider the consequence of acting aggressively, and it may release the inhibitions of people who typically are not very aggressive. Okay, shukriya.